Hi guys, I can't believe it is week 8 of content reading, our final week. This week, after completing each of the assigned learning activities, you should be able to successfully complete our final exam and also the end of course survey. Please be sure to complete that end of course survey. It is important because as we revise classes, we look at the survey to get your feedback. The final exam is now open and will close at 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. You may use your notes, books, flip charts, PowerPoints, internet, whatever to complete the final exam. Please read the directions carefully. As always, if you have questions, please email me. Here is my email. I hope you have enjoyed this class as much as I have. Good luck on the remainder of your education journey, and if I can be of any help, please reach out for me. Thank you.